Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be refurbishing and repairing a Surface Pro laptop palm rest and keyboard. See in this video, this palm rest is seen better days, very worn. Now we start the prep of this keyboard. We're now going to speed up the video. First thing to do is to clean the keyboard thoroughly. Once the keyboard is thoroughly cleaned, you're going to take off and cut off all the frayed edges around the side of the keyboard and glue down using sticky back tape the other parts which are coming off. Next we'll put on the front palm rest skin. Use application tape for this. Once it's lined up, use a squeegee to push it down and start activating the glue. Now to the back part of the skin, so you're completely covering the front and the back of the palm rest. Now we are sealing up the two edges. You do this by pinching the edges, the overhang of the actual skins themselves. The actual glue will hold. This material that we use has got a 10-year durability. As you can see from the video, we are now using the heat gun to activate the glue further and to push down on the seals to ensure that it sticks there. As with all of our products, everything comes with a 3-year warranty from peeling or fading. Second to last is the application of the SticKeys. In this video we are changing it to a French AZERTY layout, but any language can be achieved with our sticky solutions. Lastly, we have the trackpad put on. That's the final finishing touches. As you can see from this video, we have turned a grade C/D unsellable, unusable Surface Pro palm rest into a grade A resellable product in 20 minutes. Contact us to find out more on how we can help you refurbish your goods and add value to your product. Thanks for watching the video today, and contact us to find out more.